Let the flame fill the night. When we touch, then we ignite.
That's why we have to compromise the fast fueling.
Light up the sky. 'Cause we are fire and we're burning. Won't put it out, even though we're hurting. Let the flame fill the night. When we touch, then we ignite.
Hi, I'm Jean and I'm the COO of Infinity Autoworks, and we're the exclusive distributor of Avery Dennison Automotive Films here in the Philippines. So right now, as you can see, we're conducting a paint protection film training, and in the coming days we'll also conduct supreme wrapping film trainings exclusive for our dealers. So this is what we offer them every often, so that they can be trained on the techniques that they can use in installing paint protection films and supreme wrapping films. Hopefully you can join us next time in the training. So as long as you are a dealer of Avery Dennison, then you're invited to come to our training.
This is Siew Bee. I'm Technical Marketing Manager for Avery Dennison. So today we are in Infinity's Autoworks to have a workshop with our customer to make sure that they know how to use our protection films, PPF Extreme. That's why we gather all people around to learn about it, and I will show them what is the difference of the films and how we handle it. That's my expectations today. Is I hope after today my customer understand how Avery's products works, and then they will have no problems to use our products in the future, and they can promote the products to their customer as well.
Good afternoon. My name is John Volante, and we distribute Avery Dennison products, the automotive solution line here in the Philippines. So I just want to say thank you for the people who attended our training. If you want to learn more, just follow us in our social media pages. We'd be happy to just answer any more questions about Avery Dennison, our product, and how we can support you as partners in providing film services to our clients. Thank you.